You can take a 15 to 20 minutes class. Why? Because 1 o'clock I have to go namaz. Today Friday is there.
Okay. Actually,
Mm.
what is the
Mm.
incident this showing here? Create new and assign to me, open and assign, resolved all. So what is
Okay.
this? Can you tell me? I explained these things in a lot of classes, the
Mhm.
previous classes.
Incident means one incident that in that create new we have to create
So what it is?
incident.
So what it is?
It will create new means it will create new incident. Assign to
Yeah,
means
okay.
you have
But
to
before that, incident is nothing but application menu.
okay.
So in the service now, the application menu is the left side navigation panel used to access all application and modules available to a user, right? So create new is a one of the module, assign to me is one of the module, open is one of the module, unassigned is one of the module, resolved is one of the module. Here you can see here state equals resolved. Here how they are configured here, all. So all the list of the instance it will be displayed. State equals to resolved. So these all are modules. Modules are the children's or second tier navigation options in the application navigator. Modules are often used to link other pages, records in the ServiceNow platform. You can configure which module appear in the application navigator using application menu modules. Okay, what is the application menu? In ServiceNow, the application menu is the left side navigation panel used to access all applications. Okay, and modules available to user. So in this all application are listed in a structured way. In a structured way. So and displays all apps and their modules allowing to access different functionality. And what is the module? Modules in ServiceNow. Modules are the children and second tier navigation options in the application navigator Modules are often used to link other pages or records in the ServiceNow platform. And you can configure which module to appear in the application menu navigator using application menu modules. Okay. Suppose in this there are different ways to create application menu and modules. So one of these I'm already explained in the previous class while we are creating table side, where it will be under system definition tables. So like this. So at the table section side, yeah, this is the label. So this is the table name. Here just we are again like this, we need to create another one. Then click on new. Suppose when you are creating US employee onboarding, so it will be auto populated. So see same. Yeah, here we need to search US employee. Yeah, see here. This was what it is. Application menu. Then under US employee onboarding modules as well as created. So when we are clicking on a new, there is no fields here. So why? Because we are not taking any fields. So just I am telling what is the application menu and module. So that's why I am again we will create another so again create same like this. Then it will be auto populated under name and new application menu side. So click on submit. Then again, is it created or not? We can see here. Oh, Again. What happened will become then while we are through filter navigator, when we are searching this, US, yeah, the same kind of, yeah, UK employee onboarding as well as here we seen here. Then again, there is another way to create application menu and application. Yeah, here under system definitions, there is a application menu section is there. When we are going to there, so we should know what is the use of each fields. Again, like this also we can create, suppose India employee onboarding. So active is true. So suppose there is a multiple users like a employees is there. So we can access to particular employees to access particular roles. Actually, we already discussed about these roles, but here also we can give access to for this particular. Then I'll tell you. So by using role, we can restrict the access to application menu. So again, yeah, click on the submit. Then what is this? Yeah, when we are open this, so when we are impersonating for this, what is this? So rule side we can give later. Then we need to check custom applications, India employee onboarding we are given, but or what is UK employee onboarding? I'll give here UK employee onboarding. You can see here. Wait, we'll try UK employee onboarding. Yeah, for this we should impersonate for this able tutor. So let me check. It's loading. So for this, when we are Vamshi Servicenow has access to UK employee onboarding, but able tutor can't able to access. So why it is we are not giving role to that particular, right?
User. Yes.
Yeah, so that's why. So when we are so for this impersonate user without giving any ITIL role and admin access, then they can able to business apps applications under self services, application menu site, dashboard, service catalog, employee centers, knowledge. So these are the application impersonate user can access, but not able to access whatever whichever we are created in that particular PDI. So when we are so for this, so end impersonation here. For that application menu, application menus. Yeah, UK employee onboarding site. So see here when we are opening. So what is the role of this UK employee onboarding? U underscore UK underscore employee underscore onboarding user. So for this user having the roles for this particular active is enabled true. So hint will be this will manage the UK employee onboarding. So
We have to mention roles also. No need.
yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay.
So in the description as well as then after saving it. Here there is a what it is. Module is there. It's already created. If you want, we can create another module. So for this application menus without modules before I created, then what is I created in that application menu side? India employee onboarding. For this, here there is no roles, right?
Yes. That UK employee, you have given roles.
Yeah. So that's why it's showing now.
Okay.
So for this, can give. Let me check. Saving it. So for this int India employee onboarding. So in the description side, This will manage India employee onboarding.
Onboarding.
Can save it. So here already is there modules. So we can create. So India employee title, I'm giving onboarding order. I can give 100. So like whatever we are giving the order only, it will be showing under application menu side modules. It will be displayed. So
Order. Bro, you have to give order.
yeah, without giving order,
Hmm.
modules can't create it. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see. So we can create a list of records.
Hmm.
So for this, is there any table for this? India employee onboarding? Tell me. We are not created for this particular table.
Table.
So what will we do now? We can create
Hmm. Okay.
tables. What should we do? We should create for this. Yeah, here already is there. So this is the, so that's why we are creating backend name now. So that's why it will be auto triggered under role section as well as. So that's why again we should create India employee onboarding. Yeah. So no need to create module. So actually we are creating just table, right? Then again we should go to application menus. So here we are already created table. Then we can create for this module. So I'm telling how many ways to create application menus and modules. So that's why I'm telling. Wait.
Hello.
And again for
Hello.
this, yeah, here some network issues there.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so there is a role. So for that, what should we do? So for that able tutor, we should go to that user section. So we can create for that particular role. So then we can able to access for that impersonate user as well as. So I'll tell you once the PDA is up. So application menus. So here already India. Apply. Yeah. So for this, no need to give. I'll tell you. So under module side, order. So what is the title? India employee onboarding, right? So order we can give 100. So this application menu providing new module. So for this link type, so we can discuss later, then whatever assessment, what it is, content page, documentation link, map page, new record, run a report, everything we'll discuss in that next class. So for this, I can keep it as a list of records. What is the table name? Yeah. Now, visibility for this, we need to can save it. Can check under filter navigation section side. Yeah. You can see here. So how many ways we are created application menu and modules? Tell me.
3 ways, sir.
How many ways?
2 ways.
Yeah, now we can discuss under module as well as we can create a modules for these sections and every time, okay, whichever module side. So again, we need to create like this. Suppose if you are giving 200, so under create new, under link type, so new record I will mention here. Then you can see, save it. Yeah, you can see create new is there now, coming now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So again, under module side, we can create another modules. So under system definitions, we can create new module. So India employee. So I can click. So what is the application menu? India employee onboarding is the application menu we already created. So I can give as a next module. So same keep it as a India employee onboarding. So click on save it. You can see that you will see here. So otherwise can give proper name employee So again update it. Yeah. Create new. So India employee is there. So there is no field. So that's why I'm telling how many ways to create and modules. So I explained here. So before that, I already told for this user section side, sys underscore user list. So for this able tutor, is not there. I thought why it's not coming. So for that we need to provide role. So then he can able to able to again you can check users. Yeah, users is there. Able tutor scheme. Yeah, under role side can give.
ITL and admin roles.
Yeah, here is there. Now we are
So
given to that able tutor for this particular role. Let me check. Okay, we already given. Yeah, given. So again, impersonate user, able tutor. Click on impersonate user. Go to that filter navigation. Yeah, see here. Previously, we didn't see in this name. Now, we are seeing for this particular role to given able tutor. So, we are able to see, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, this is the roles we can give for that. So, for that, you already know in that under system definition side module section is there. The same kind of under tables is there. So, you can practice this. Then we will discuss later what kind of activities we should do. So we discuss list of records and create record section. So then later side we will create for this Gino. So for this impersonate user end impersonation. So that's why here is not displayed. For this Gino finance management we have only one module is there. For this we should create all the modules. So 5-6 modules for this. Then you have a clear clarity on this. There is a lot of bunch of sections is there under modules.
The create new, open, all, resolve one.
Yeah, for this I will give you overview on this. For that next class. Yeah, here new record is there, list of record is there, assessment is there, content page is there, single record, separator. I will tell you in the next class how we can use for this under modules. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it the class today.